Good morning, students. Welcome in the lecture of Agriculture Entomology, and course title is Insect Pest Management Diploma Agriculture 1 Year. Myself, Karamjeet Singh, Assistant Professor Agriculture Entomology. So today we are going to start with topic Pest of Sorghum and their management. So I would like to talk about something about this crop. There are a number of insect and pest attacked on this crop. So we categorized in the insect pest with sucking pest, that is shoot bug and aphids. Some of the borers that attacked on sorghum crop, that are stem borers, pink stem borer, shoot flies, and some of the defoliators that major found on the this crop, that are fall armyworm, flea beetle or flower beetles. So today we will discuss one by one, and we will also discuss the pest management with the different pest management strategies. So first important pest of sorghum, that is shoot fly. Shoot fly in pest belongs to Dioptera order, and you can see this picture, the adult identification of this pest. So you can easily found or easily detect this pest from the on the sorghum plants or sorghum crop. So if we talk about the life cycle, so there are four major stages of this insect. First is the egg, and then egg transfer into the maggots transfer into the pupae form, and pupa transferred into adult form. So total life cycle of this shoot fly is 17 to 22 days. So mainly this insect or pest complete their life cycle into 17 to 22 days. So if we talk about the nature of damage, you can see the pictures that maggots enters into the central shoot. So the maggot form of this insect, they enter into the central shoot by making the horizontal cuts. So you can easily detect this insect pest or observe this insect pest on the sorghum plant. If we talk about the damage symptoms of shoot fly, so these are the pictures of damage on the sorghum crop. So first picture, you can observe the dead hearts, or in the second pictures you can see the production of side tillers or shoots. So if you observe this type of symptoms or then you can easily detect this is the severe damage of the shoot fly. So if we talk about the economic threshold level, that level that we have to apply the management strategies or different chemicals. So economic threshold of shoot fly is a 10% of dead heart. If you observe 10% of plant with effect of the dead heart, then you have to make sure you have to apply the different management strategies. So if we talk about the management, there are some of the preventive measures, curative measures, or some of the chemicals that we can use the chemicals to control this insect pest. If we talk about the preventive measures, so you can manage this pest, or you can control this pest with the early sowing, or you can sow the crop before the 15th of the June. You can also use the different resistant varieties that are to control this pest, insect pest. So you can also use the higher seed rate. If you used a recommended seed rate, then there are high chance of attacking of this pest. If you use 2 kg or 3 kg extra seed, then you can manage this pest. Then seed treatment with the different pesticides like a imidacloprid 60 fs, you can use 3 kg 3 gram seed, 3 gram imidacloprid for per kg seeds. If we talk about the curative measures, you can destroy the dead hearts or you can remove the dead hearts after the 15 days of sowing. And then you can also set up the fish meal traps at the rate of 5 traps per acre for the mass trapping purpose of this insect pest. Or in the final stage or in the final management, you can apply the different sprays, different chemicals like imidacloprid 17.8 suspended liquid at the rate of 0.3 ml per liter at the time of 15 to 14 days after the sowing. So these are the different curative or preventive measures to manage this insect pest. Second important pest of the sorghum, that is the stem borer. Stem borer is a very common or very major pest of this crop. This is the adult identification. You can easily observe or you can easily identify the male and female on the crop. And if we talk about the life cycle, so total life cycle, this in stem borer complete total life cycle into 13 to 14 days, and the eggs transferred into larvae. You can observe the different stages of this insect: egg, larva, then pupa, then adult. So this is the complete metamorphosis. It means when any insect or pest having 4 stages like egg, larva, pupa and adult, it means a complete metamorphosis. So this is the complete total life cycle of the stem borer. If we talk about the nature of damage, how you can observe this is the stem borer or other insect. So these pictures clearly showing that the different nature, different damage symptoms. If you found these type of damage symptoms on your crop, then it is easily you can detect this is the stem borer. So larval stage of this insect pest bores into the main stem and feeds on the internal content of the crop or internal content of the plant. So this is the damage symptoms. Stem borer damage symptoms on the unmatured plant. It is also same like the dead hearts, and it is series of pinholes. So you can, in the second picture you can see the series of pinholes on the leaves. Economic threshold level of the stem borer is 10%, same as the shoot fly, that is 10% dead heart. Then management strategies, different management practices like a monitoring, preventive measures or curative measures. So for the monitoring purposes, you can set up the light traps at the rate of 1 trap per acre. In the preventive measures, you can crop rotation with non-cereal crops. You can grow the cowpea as a intercropping, and you can also destroy the stubbles immediately after the harvest of the previous crop. And then curative measures, you can directly hand picking, collect the larval stage with hand picking method that affected from the plants along with the larvae and pupae. And you can also spray the neem seed kernel extract, that is NSKE, at the rate of 5% or Zedirectin at the rate of 2 ml per liter. So foliar application, you can chlorotrinyliprole spray that you can apply at the rate of 0.2 ml per liter. So this is the management strategies of the stem borer. Then next important pest of this crop, that is a army worm. It is very severe or very common pest found on the different areas of the sorghum growing areas. This is the nature of damage. It is a defoliator. I already explained that there are some of the defoliators, some of the sucking pests. So army worm is a defoliators. So this is the adult identification of the armyworm. It belongs to Lepidoptera order, and this is the nature of damage. The larval stage of this insect is very large as compared to other larvae. So larvae feed from the margin of leaves and leaving only midrib and stalk of the plant. So it completely feed on the margin of the leaf of the crop. Then different management strategies of armyworm, then monitoring, preventive measures, curative measures. You can same as you can apply the, or you can install the light trap at the rate of one trap per acre. Then keep the field clean, and also surrounding plants you have to clean the area, or clean the uh, field where you sow the crop. And then curative measures, you can spray the metarhizium at the rate of 2 to 5 gram per liter, or spray the lambda. It is very common insecticide lambda. You can apply lambda 2.5 at the rate of 0.5 ml per liter, or you can also apply the poison weights at the rate of 50 kg per hectare. So these are the major common or insect pest of this crop. Or I already told the different management strategies of the these insect pests. So thanks for the joining. So in the next lecture we will talk about, or we will explain the next crop. Thank you very much.